Do you think the technical team or the engineering team should have a say in technical direction, or steering the technical direction, or do you think that should be left up to the product team to decide?
I think we shouldn't forget that as a technical team and an engineering team, we're there to provide value for the business and for the users of the business. So that should be the primary focus. Having said that, technical features or technical improvements can help add value for our users in the short term, but certainly in the long term. Would you agree with that?
Absolutely. I think I would agree with that, especially if, for example, you want to ship a feature or work on a feature that could take a lot quicker to develop and ship if, for example, dependency updates or package updates were prioritized before that. So in that case, yes, I would give advice to the client or to the product team that it's advisable to rather wait until we've actually got the code base in a good situation or a good state to actually handle that feature that we want to do. Because ultimately, if a code base is out of date, just using an example here, if it's still using a Symfony 4, 4.4, and you want to implement a new authentication method, which is provided out of the box in Symfony 7, I would definitely push back to the client and say, listen, I think this is the better approach. Rather focus on the dependency update, get that out of the way. It might take a long time. This is something that you can never really quantify or put a time limit on. But that also creates some tension between the client and ourselves. Yeah,
I think it's a balance you need to try to strike because a lot of engineers, they have the tendency to say, yeah, we need 6 months to do this. And then the business is like, 6 months, are you crazy? So it's a corporation on both sides. But as a technical team, we need to try to limit the time we need for technical improvements. And waiting too long to do technical improvements will lead into uncertainty, not knowing how long it will take to do the improvement. And that is the difficulty because it erodes trust a bit as well. If you go to business and you say to them, yeah, we need a couple of months to do something, the trust is gone. They will think these engineers are bullshitting me, which is not the case. They just haven't prioritized it for a long time and now they need to catch up. So the balance is very important. But engineers should not go into the reflex of building software for the sake of building software. We're here to build software to help our users and to bring value. And I think that's the most important thing. That balance is very important.
Yeah. And I mean, we're also here to build software that is also fun to build from our side as well. And it's also, it's not, we don't have to work with a code base that is riddled with technical debt and spaghetti code. And if we can do it properly from the start and, ship small features, break up a big feature into a small feature and just release lots of little small features.
It's about getting that feedback quickly from our users. And I think the balance there is very important because you could cram in feature after feature, but in the long term, you will not be able to deliver any features anymore. So that balance is really important.
It's really important. I don't think there's a right or wrong answer to this dilemma, actually. It's communication, it's cooperation. It's just being sensible in your decision making when it comes to features.
You would say it depends, right?
It definitely depends.